Hi guys. Today we are learning how to remove the daily time limit on Instagram. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Once the app opens, you'll be taken to your Instagram home feed. From here, we'll head to your account settings to change the daily time limit. Now tap your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your Instagram profile, where you can access all of your account settings and preferences. Once you're on your profile, you're ready for the next step. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile. This will open the menu with different account options. Scroll through the list until you find the settings related to your activity and time management. Scroll down until you see the time management option, then tap on it. This section lets you manage reminders and daily usage limits for Instagram. Here, you'll find all the controls related to your screen time. Now tap on Daily Time Limit to view the available options. You'll see different time limit choices on the screen. Scroll to the bottom and select Off to remove the daily time limit from your Instagram account. And that's how you can remove the daily time limit on Instagram in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below for more easy tutorials.